Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to do backtest in TradingView. So to do a backtest in TradingView, so the steps are very simple. First one, if you are a paid user, so the steps are also very simple for you. Okay, like first one is a replay option. If you are a subscribed user, you can simple press the replay button and then start replaying. Okay, and then you can simple go back to your strategy where which one you want to test. Okay, by simple using the moving average chart, sorry, the moving line you will see here. Okay, here you can easily go back the time and then test your strategy. After that, go to the indicator. Here you can simple select the testing strategy. You can simple here type testing strategies. Here you will see the many testing strategies are available. You can select which one you want. I am using MACD strategy, so this one provide a free strategy to test. So now once I apply it, here you will see at the top the buy and sell chart will also appear, and also here you will see the lines are appear here. Okay, where it will indicate you where it will up, where it will down, up, down, to back test your strategy. Okay, it will help. Also here you can set the time chart to minutes or into a seconds to do a and make a better strategy and learn about it. Also here downside in a MACD strategy, you will here see full information and the chart information also. Okay, you can expand it and learn how you do your trade. Okay, and you can easily test all the points. Goodbye.